You watched Rachel and I in the last show. We were insane for these mugs.
Love these.
They are the best mugs. We wait for them every year. We've been doing them for 5 years in a row. They come in the gift box. They come with an ornament / lid / coaster. You get 4 of them, and they hold 16 ounces each. So you've got a nice capacity here. Today we have them for you in 3 different color choices. Now the one that you're seeing there, that's always my favorite, white woodland.
And always our most
it's
popular.
Faux bois, is what Martha would call it, right? Faux bois.
With her mulled cider.
Yeah,
right?
exactly.
Right.
$9.33 gets that home. It's a $7 gift per person. Office gifts.
Yes.
You know, people, school teachers.
Like the Secret Santas where you have to bring like a $10 gift or something like that.
Exactly.
Whatever it's going to be. I love this because, as we said earlier, everybody's always drinking something.
So white woodland right there. We also have Believe right up over here. Both of those are on a save-on price, $27.98, or again, that easy pay of $9.33. Now go on over to Tara.
I want to brag on the
You're going to see Doodle Do.
Yeah, so Rooster's good luck in the kitchen, but I also love the idea of that kind of farmhouse chic. All of those great little quadrifoils that you see there on the front and the back. So all of our patterns you'll see are on both sides with, of course, the adorable ornament. And look at this sweet little gift box. As we were saying, it's like bow and go. It's like ready to roll.
You don't even have to put a bow on it.
You literally open your box, you guys, and this is everything that you're getting. 2 great pieces of stoneware plus the box times 4.
All right, so listen, we're going to show you that it's not just for drinking.
Yeah.
Tea and coffee. Right. You can use these. You can actually put like French onion soup in this.
Ooh,
you
wait
can
till
do.
you see this bubble.
Oh wait, what do you do?
Bubble,
oh, did you do? Oh.
Well, I might have was supposed to get to it a little sooner, but that's okay. Here's the best part. Everything that's down the side goes right in the dishwasher.
Washable.
No worries.
You could literally
look
eat
at this
right out of that.
Mac and cheese, 16 ounces of ooey gooey mac and cheese, because our mugs are like bowls as well. So whether it's mac and cheese or it's a canned soup that you're using, or it's chili on a Sunday, or you're doing something like a chicken pot pie, you will use these day in and day out.
So I love this because this truly is a usable gift.
Yeah.
When you think about being able to give somebody a gift of just $7 or $8.25 in the case of Doodle Do, which you're seeing there, you can't even buy them a coffee in a disposable cup.
Exactly, you're right.
Here, you're giving them the opportunity to now enjoy that mug over and over and over again, not just in a year, for years.
Yes, it becomes a tradition,
Yeah.
right? Mugs, like blankets, like everybody always has their favorite mug, right?
Yeah.
So I love that this is something we do every year. We've been doing this for about 5 years, and we did all your favorite drinks here, right? Your hot chocolate, your fancy coffee drink. Maybe you're doing mimosas or Bloody Marys in the morning, or you have like your mulled cider. So everybody's always drinking something, but then think about your yogurt parfaits and your hot fudge sundaes and baking your cinnamon buns in the morning, or even just putting some of our candies right in here and gifting that as well. So many different ways to use a mug.
And you know, every time Tara has brought us these mugs, she's updated the design, she's changed it, she's made it more interesting, she's made them more beautiful. Here's what I'll show you.
Thank you, my friend.
They fit beautifully in your hand, whether you're holding them that way or this way. And of course, today is your day to pick them up at this sale price. Get them under the tree now. If you're picking up the Woodland White or the Believe, it's $7 a gift.
Incredible.
If you're picking up the Doodle Do, it's $8.25 a gift. Tara Tesher,
So good to see you. They try to keep us apart, but
I know.
today I got to see you twice.
You
can never divide us.
All right, so listen, pick those up while we have them for you. K85981 is your item number. Hey, did you know? It's David's 30th anniversary show. It's coming up tonight at 8 p.m. If you want right now, you can go to QVC.com, just search David. You'll see some of his favorite picks at QVC. You'll also be able to get a coupon code to save 30% off any one of those picks if you order tonight on QVC.com. All right, we're gonna go to a big deal. Let's talk TracFone.